Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing the numbers and getting admin control. Make sure you are a group admin. Without it, you cannot add participants directly. Once you have admin rights, save every phone number to your contacts or import a CSV into your phone's contacts app so they appear in WhatsApp. Then open WhatsApp and create a new group or open an existing one and tap Add Participants to start adding saved contacts immediately. This ensures WhatsApp recognizes each number during the process. Now you add multiple people efficiently. You can tap Add Participants and select many saved contacts in one session. This is fastest when your contacts are grouped. If some numbers aren't saved or you prefer not to save them, create a group invite link and share it via message, email, or another app so recipients can join themselves. Once done, you can also display the group QR code or copy the link to paste into chat threads. Both methods bypass manual adding and scale to many users. To finish, confirm group settings and tidy membership. Make sure the group info, description, and admin roles are set how you want, and check participants to verify everyone joined. If someone can't join, resend the invite link, ask them to refresh contacts or re-enter the correct country code. You may also remove and re-add their saved contact. If problems persist, ensure their phone has WhatsApp installed and your phone's contact sync is working. This single troubleshooting step solves.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.